This is a quick tutorial on how to use Communication and Mass Media Complete, a database available through the Lake Forest College Library. If you're working on research for your comm class, this is one of the best places to look for academic sources. Communication and Mass Media Complete includes scholarly articles from academic journals in the communication studies field. It's designed for exploring topics within media studies, linguistics, rhetoric, discourse, and much more. To access it, let's start from the Lake Forest College Library website. Under the Quick Links section, go ahead and click on the database list. Then select the dropdown for all subjects so you can explore relevant databases. And we want communication, so you can see that Communication and Mass Media Complete is actually one of the recommended databases under the Best Bets box. Let's go ahead and click into it. And if you're off campus, you should be able to log in using your Lake Forest credentials. You'll notice that we have 3 search bars, and we can actually even add more. That's because library databases use keyword searching and Boolean operators. But before you dive into the database and start searching, it's a good idea to sketch a quick concept map and brainstorm some keywords. Let's say you're interested in broadly looking at how social media influences political messaging. You can break your topic into 2 overarching concepts to help you generate keywords. So, our platform or social media related terms would be TikTok, Meta, Instagram, social media itself, digital platforms, short form videos, reels, shorts, influencers, creators, users, algorithms, echo chambers, filter bubbles, and more. For our political or communication terms, you might say political communication, election, politics, activism, campaigning, political messaging, political discourse, public opinion, civic engagement, voter turnout, policies, misinformation, disinformation, or propaganda. So these are a lot of big ideas, but this is just to get us started. To focus your topic further, you could also look into a specific campaign, politician, or event. You should eventually narrow your topic down as you learn more about it and decide on the direction you want to take. Let's walk through a search. We can start simple and broad with keywords like social media and political communication. If you notice one of your keywords is more than one word, enclose it in quotes so the database searches for that precise term. Without quotes, you might get a lot more irrelevant sources using either word instead of that specific term. Let's go ahead and click search. And then you should always take note of how many results your search yields. So we have about 1,300 results for this combination. Scan the first page of results and assess the relevance and take note of the topics being explored. You can also use the filters at the top to narrow further by date, source type, or peer-reviewed status, and more. Let's go ahead and click peer review, and let's say we want recent articles, so in the last, let's say 5 years. When you catch an article that looks promising, go ahead and click the title to access the item record page. The item record page provides more information about the source, including publication information, the abstract, and subject keywords. Scan the subject keywords and read the abstract to help you determine if this article is relevant to your topic. If it looks useful, go to the access options at the top where you can download the PDF of the article or check to see if we have access to the article from a different library database. The item record page also provides a citation tool. At the top, click Cite to get a formatted citation in APA, MLA, or Chicago style. Always double check your citations though. These tools are helpful but not always accurate. You can use a citation guide like Purdue OWL to double check your work if you are unsure. You can also email yourself the permanent link back to this item record page. Now that we have a basic understanding of how to navigate the library database, let's talk about strategies to help you research more effectively. Let's go back to our results page and then back at the top, click Advanced Search to modify our search. You can use Boolean operators like and, or not to refine your search. And is the most common function. We already used and when we searched for social media and political communication. We combine 2 separate concepts, social media and political communication, so we can find articles exploring both ideas. You can use or to include synonyms and related terms. So for social media, we can say or TikTok or Instagram. And for political communication, we can expand further by saying or campaigns or speeches. Using the OR function broadens our search to include articles that may focus on specific social media platforms or content types or other related terms related to our topic. So you can see with this combination, we have just over 2,000 results. Let's go ahead and use not to exclude irrelevant topics. So advertising or advertisements to filter out results focused on marketing and keeping the focus on political content. So with this combination, we have just under 2,000 results, about 1,800. Additional search strategies include adding a theory or a framework. So, for example, if you wanted to search TikTok, you could add agenda setting. This might be useful for students applying communication theory to analyze TikTok's role in shaping political narratives. You can also try focusing on engagement or influence. So, you could perhaps search TikTok and voting or civic engagement or youth. This search combination will attempt to find articles discussing how TikTok influences young voters or civic participation. You can also compare platforms, kind of like we did earlier for our initial search. So you might search for TikTok or Instagram or YouTube and activism or political discourse. So this search would be great for students doing a comparative analysis of how different platforms affect political engagement. You can also explore by identity and political messaging. So you could search TikTok and identity or gender or race and political communication. This allows exploration of how political messaging intersects with identity on TikTok. As we conclude, let's recap some of the search tips from this video. Create a concept map to help you brainstorm keywords and organize all your ideas. Start broad and test out various 2 to 3 keyword combinations before adding additional Boolean operators. Use quotation marks for exact phrases like social media or civic engagement. You can use the subject terms in an article's item record to find academic keywords to add to your search and lead you to more articles. You can filter by peer review and date as needed. And then remember, you can continue to focus and adjust your search as you learn more about what interests you. More than likely, you won't find everything you're looking for in a single search or even a single search session. Keep an online research document on the side where you can quickly add article links, citations, and any notes as you go. And remember, you can always reach out to a librarian. Take your time to explore the database and your topic. Good research usually means trying different words, reading abstracts, and following citation trails. If you're unsure where to start or can't find what you need, talk to a librarian. We're here to help. Good luck with your research.